Welcome to our channel, where we discuss and share various manifestation techniques based on the teachings of renowned teachers and motivators across the globe. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires into their lives, while others struggle, the answer may lie in the subconscious mind. Our subconscious beliefs and programming have a profound impact on what we manifest and achieve in life. In this video, we will explore the science behind subconscious reprogramming, how to identify and overcome limiting beliefs, and techniques to amplify your manifestation power through hypnosis. Whether you're new to hypnosis or have some experience, this video is designed to provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you tap into the immense potential of your subconscious mind. So, let's dive in and discover the transformative power of hypnosis for manifestation. Understanding the power of the subconscious mind is essential in the practice of manifestation. Manifestation techniques have been used throughout history to bring about specific effects or circumstances in our lives. The power of manifestation is often associated with the law of attraction, which is practiced by various religious organizations and scientific communities. To tap into the power of manifestation, it is important to understand how our mind works. We have a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. Our conscious mind decides what we want, but it must then convince our subconscious mind that we are worthy of having it. This is where the challenge often lies. Our self-esteem and self-worth are often shaped by the beliefs instilled in us during our upbringing. If we were consistently told that we were not good enough or deserving of what we wanted, those beliefs can stay with us and hinder our ability to manifest our desires. Overcoming these limiting beliefs is crucial in harnessing the power of the subconscious mind. One tool that can be helpful in this process is journaling. By writing down our thoughts and beliefs, we can identify any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back from manifesting our desires. Journaling allows us to explore and challenge these beliefs, creating space for new and empowering beliefs to take root. Once we have overcome our inner skeptic and made space for new beliefs, we can actively manifest our desires on a daily basis. This can be done through simple tools such as visualization, self-hypnosis, and positive affirmations. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can create a habit of manifestation and begin to see tangible results in our lives. Let's discuss on identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs through subconscious reprogramming. Identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs is crucial for personal growth and creating a happy and fulfilled life. These false convictions, which inhibit or constrain us in some way, often stem from our childhood experiences and the values instilled by our parents and teachers. The three most common limiting beliefs revolve around trust, inadequacy, and scarcity. Trust issues can arise from early experiences of betrayal or disappointment, leading us to believe that we cannot trust ourselves or others. Feelings of inadequacy, such as not being smart enough or attractive enough, can develop from societal expectations and comparisons to others. And the belief in scarcity, that there is never enough time, money, or love, can be a result of messages received during childhood. It is important to recognize that these limiting beliefs are not the ultimate truth about ourselves or our capabilities. They are simply perceptions that we have adopted over time. By understanding the root causes of these beliefs and challenging their validity, we can begin to reprogram our subconscious mind. Reprogramming the subconscious mind involves replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones that align with our true potential. This can be done through various techniques such as hypnosis, meditation, positive affirmations, and visualization. By consistently practicing these techniques, we can create new neural pathways in our brain that support our desired beliefs and behaviors. However, it is important to note that reprogramming the subconscious mind is not always an easy process. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to confront and overcome challenges that may arise along the way. It is common to encounter resistance from the subconscious mind, which may try to hold onto familiar patterns and beliefs. By staying committed to the process and seeking support when needed, we can navigate these challenges and continue to make progress. But what exactly is the science behind subconscious reprogramming, and how can understanding it empower us to manifest more effectively? One key concept in subconscious reprogramming is neuroplasticity. The brain has the remarkable ability to form new connections and reorganize itself, allowing us to create new neural pathways that support our manifestation. By consistently exposing ourselves to positive affirmations, visualization, and other techniques, we can strengthen these new neural pathways and make them more accessible. Repetition and consistency are crucial when it comes to reprogramming the subconscious mind. The more we repeat positive affirmations and engage in manifestation practices, the more deeply ingrained these beliefs and patterns become in our subconscious. The subconscious mind is highly receptive to sensory inputs. By incorporating sensory experiences into our manifestation practices, such as visualizations and guided meditations, we can enhance the effectiveness of these techniques and make them more impactful. However, it's important to identify and address any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be hindering our manifestations. These beliefs act as roadblocks to our desires and must be replaced with empowering beliefs that support our goals. Research has shown that hypnosis and meditation can be powerful tools for accessing and reprogramming the subconscious mind. Through hypnosis, we can enter a state of deep relaxation and heightened suggestibility, making it easier to replace old beliefs with new ones. Meditation, on the other hand, allows us to quiet the mind and connect with our innermost desires, further reinforcing our manifestations. Understanding the science behind subconscious reprogramming gives us a greater sense of purpose and confidence in our manifestation practices. By harnessing the power of the subconscious mind and implementing techniques like hypnosis, positive affirmations, and visualization, we can take control of our circumstances and create the life we truly desire. The future of hypnosis and the laws of attraction is bright, as more and more individuals recognize the power of the mind in manifesting their dream. In the next to last section, we will explore briefly how to effectively implement hypnosis and the laws of attraction in our daily lives, as well as address potential challenges and solutions that may arise along the way. As now we know, hypnosis allows individuals to tap into their subconscious mind, which is where our beliefs and programming reside. And by accessing the subconscious, we can identify and remove limiting beliefs that hinder manifestation. Visualization and affirmations are commonly used techniques in hypnosis for manifestation. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of the desired outcome, while affirmations are positive statements that reinforce the belief in achieving that outcome. These techniques help reprogram the subconscious mind and align it with our conscious desires. To ensure effective results, it is crucial to choose a skilled and experienced hypnotherapist or use reputable self-hypnosis resources. Consistency and regular practice are also essential for maximizing the manifestation power of hypnosis. By making hypnosis a part of our routine, we create a harmonious environment for manifestation. Combining hypnosis with the laws of attraction can further amplify our manifestation power. The laws of attraction state that like attracts like, and by aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desired outcome, we can attract it into our lives. Hypnosis can help us align our conscious and subconscious mind, creating a powerful synergy for manifestation. But let me warn you, hypnosis is not a magic pill. It requires effort and commitment. Overcoming challenges and reprogramming the subconscious mind may arise, but with perseverance and the right techniques, we can overcome them. Regular hypnotherapy sessions, meditation, and practicing positive affirmations and visualizations are key components of harnessing the mind's power for manifestation. Friends, here we conclude our video. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of harnessing the power of hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind for manifestation. We hope that the information and techniques shared in this video have inspired you to unlock the immense potential of your mind and manifest the life you truly desire. If you found this video helpful and insightful, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos, where we explore more fascinating topics related to manifestation and personal growth. We value your thoughts and feedback, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let us know your experiences with harnessing the power of hypnosis and subconscious reprogramming. We would love to hear your success stories and any challenges you may have encountered along the way. As you continue on your manifestation journey, always remember that the power to manifest lies within you. With the right tools, mindset, and determination, you can overcome any limiting beliefs and create the life you truly desire. We believe in you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the transformative power of hypnosis.